All living plants contain an isotope of carbon called carbon-14. When a plant dies, the isotope decays so that the amount of carbon-14 present in the remains of a plant decreases. The time since the death of a plant can be determined by measuring the amount of carbon-14 still present in the remains. The amount A of carbon-14 present in a plant T years after its death can be modeled by this function, where T greater than or equal to 0 and A sub 0 are positive constants. At the time of death, a plant is defined to have 100 units of carbon-14. Show that A sub 0 equals 100. At the time of death means T equals 0. We plug back in this equation. A equals A sub 0 times e to the negative k times 0's power. From this information, we know A equals 100. So 100 equals A sub 0 times 1. A sub 0 equals 100. Let's go to B. The time taken for half the original amount of carbon-14 to decay is known to be 5,730 years. Show that k equals natural log of 2 over 5,730. Half of the original amount is 100 over 2 equals 50. So we set up the equation 50 equals 100 times e to the negative k times t equals 5,730. Then we solve for this k. We need to isolate this power first. Divided by 100 both sides. 1 over 2 equals e negative k 5,730. Then we take natural log both sides. Natural log of 1/2 we will change into 2 to the negative first power, because we need natural log of 2 equals negative k times 5,730. Negative 1 drop down. Negative natural log of 2 equals negative k times 5,730. Divided by negative 1 both sides. We change into positive. Then we divide it by 5,730 both sides. K equals natural log of 2 over 5,730. Let's go to C. Find to correct to the nearest 10 years the time taken after the plant's death for 25% of carbon-14 to decay, which means there are 75% left in the plant. So based on this equation, A is the amount of carbon-14 present in a plant after T years, which means A equals 75.
because 75% remained. 75 equals 100 times e to the negative natural log of 2 over 5,730 times t.
75 equals 100 times e to the power, control divide, get fraction, negative natural log of 2 over 5,730 times t. Then control menu, enter, enter, enter. If we cannot get the solution from equation solver, we need to put values for lower and upper bound. Control menu, enter, enter. We do know this t is a positive number. For lower bound, we will put 0. Upper bound, we will put infinity. 10 to the 99th power is infinity. Enter, enter. We got the solution. My solver t equals 2378.16. We are looking for nearest 10 years. So we get 2380 years.